Well, here it is, Thursday, I think, and I'm here to record. I heard something screaming. I'm here to record what happened here. I don't even see myself, but okay, I guess I got the front screen turned off. Anyway, I'm here to record the carnage of what happened, and let me tell you, I don't see a crumb of anything. I don't see the squirrel is gone, the mouse is gone, all the fish and everything that was on the ground here, the meat, the fish, the what do you call the pork ribs, the sausage links, every goddamn thing is gone. Everything. There isn't a crumb of. I mean, I'm looking real close here. I don't see anything, and not only that, but there's only that's what's left on top of the barrel. And this stuff. There's one piece of fish, and 4 pieces of like chicken nuggets. So, and there was a whole bag full of chicken nuggets, and here's the bags down here, and the board I used to cut up all the fish, and everything that you're looking at here. There's nothing left. Even look at how even the containers are chewed up. And what this was, what that white stuff is. I think those are bits of, what is this? Oh, that was the pot roast. And this, I don't know what this was. Let's see if I see. This is the pork ribs. There was a whole, look at this, even they chewed this up. And there's nothing left here. There's just a bunch of scales. And then here's another thing, and I'm worried about this. The net is underneath the thing here. Oh, there's something. Oh, you damn it, cat! You scared the shit out of me. You see that? She's under there. Now let's see what's under here. The net. I don't know what that is. What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. It looks like a. It actually looks like a kind of a skeleton bone. What the hell is that? It looks like a skeleton bone, like a backbone. So something must have gotten eaten bad. Eat the head off. They cleaned the thing off totally, whatever that is. And this net was pulled from that chair. It was on the chair like this. It was sitting on the chair like this. Like this. And I put meat on both sides here. The meat is all gone. And you can see that everything, it was total destruction. Then the other thing that was, but I missed all this. I don't know when it happened, but they drug stuff down here. This was some kind of a container. I don't know which it is. That's all that's left of it. The packaging. There's some more packaging down here. Oh, I don't see. It's got more yellow, that white fur on. So everything was drugged down here. The only thing that I saw was still here from before is something drugged this container here. The Gulf shrimp. They clean this thing out totally. So here's all the mess. So I was recording this, and when the cat scared the shit out of me. She came running out of there. And I thought, oh my God, there's an animal. But now I see that some got in that net, and they ripped the net off of the chair, and then it's under here, and then there's a backbone in there, so something must have gotten in. It polished off pretty good. You know, look at this. Look at that backbone. I gotta bring this in for Leo to look at. He won't believe this. I gotta show this to him. He's gonna laugh his ass off. You gotta see this, Leo. Look at this. You won't fucking believe this. The net was under that divan out there.
Yeah.
And I went to go look under there and pull the net out, and the cat came running out of there. And I thought it was an animal. And in the net, stuck in the net, is this fucking back. Look at this thing. Look at this backbone. Something got eaten under there. Fucking, they ate the back. They ate every. Look at that thing. It's totally cleaned off.
Jesus Christ, Bella! I didn't know you had it in you.
Yeah.
Probably came out there and just attacked the coons and ate them all up. Get out of my yard.
Yeah, I'm the king of this shit now. Oh my God, I can't believe this though. It's isn't that a backbone? Huh?
What?
It's a backbone, isn't it?
I don't know what that is.
Well, take a look at it. Look at it with your light.
I don't know what I did with it. I had it out.
Well, hold it a second. I'll get mine. Obviously, something got under that net to eat that meat up on the chair.
Yeah.
And something came and cleaned them off and ate everything except part of the backbone.
Wow.
I mean, that had to have been brutal. Can you imagine that? Huh?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know. That's in my collection. Going in my collection now. Oh yeah.
Fish bone.
Yeah. It's not fish though.
Whale bone.
Yeah, whale bone. Yeah, whale bone.